Welcome back to my channel's second video, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for content creators. Today we're diving into the world of video editing without breaking the bank. That's right, we're going to explore the top 5 free online video editing websites you can use to make your videos shine without spending a dime. Before we get started, let's quickly discuss the benefits of using online video editing websites. These platforms are perfect for beginners and anyone who doesn't want to invest in expensive software. Plus, they're accessible from anywhere. Kapwing. Our first pick is Kapwing. It's a user-friendly platform with a variety of editing tools. You can trim, cut, add text, and even create engaging subtitles for your videos. Clipchamp. Next on our list is Clipchamp. It's known for its intuitive interface and comprehensive features. Whether you need to add music, transitions, or apply filters, Clipchamp has you covered. HitFilm Express. While not entirely online, HitFilm Express deserves a mention for its powerful editing capabilities. It's a free professional-grade software that you can download. It might be a bit more advanced, but it's a fantastic option for those looking for more control over their edits. Veed.io. If you're looking for something quick and easy, Veed.io is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for social media videos. You can add captions, stickers, and even create engaging subtitles with just a few clicks. FlexClip. Last but not least, we have FlexClip. It's another user-friendly option that offers a variety of templates for different types of videos. Whether you're editing a vlog, tutorial, or promotional video, FlexClip can help you create something eye-catching. So there you have it, our top 5 free online video editing websites for 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these platforms have something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content creation tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing!